Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. In this video I am going to teach you how to repair a LED TV. Friends, here you can see this is Intex 40-inch. Here you can see the model number 4016 FHD. So this is the model number of this 40-inch LED TV. So in this TV I changed the board. Wait a minute, now I am going to open this. After that you can see. Friends, here you can see this is a combi board. The power supply and the motherboard is combined in this single board. You can see the motherboard number also. Friends, now the main problem is this board is completely burned due to lightning. For that I am replacing another board. Friends, after replacing we got a burn mode problem. Friends, here you can see now I changed the board. This board is completely gone. And this is the replaced board. This is the new board. So after replacing this we got a problem like burn mode. Now I am going to show you by turning on this LED TV what is the burn mode. Wait a minute. Now I am going to turning on the LED TV. Friends, after turning on, here you can see this we called as burn mode. White, red, green, blue, like that many colors are appearing. This we called as burn mode problem. Due to software matching issue, this problem will occur. So how to solve this problem? Let's see step by step. Friends, using this SMD machine, now I am going to remove this flash IC. So this is the flash IC. Here you can see. I am going to apply the paste. After that, using the blower, you have to heat it up. Friends, like this we have to remove the flash IC. This is the removed flash IC. Now I am going to clean up the area. This is the removed one. I will keep here. Using the soldering we have to clean up the tracks. This is the flash IC we have to solder. This is the original one. Friends, here you can see how it look like. This is how we have to replace the flash IC. This is the old one. we are exchanged. Friends, let's see the result after replacing the flash IC. Now I am going to turn on. Let's turn on the LED TV. Now it is in standby mode. By pressing the power button, we have to release the standby. As friends, here you can see our burn mode problem is solved by replacing the flash IC. Like this, we can repair any type of TV. By replacing the flash IC, we can solve the burn mode problem. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.